Hi, it's Warren here, and today we're going to take a look at installing uMarketingSuite for Umbraco. Let's jump on in and take a look. Here I have the latest install of Umbraco. It's just an empty installation. So let's jump into my favorite Visual Studio IDE. It could be Rider, it could be Visual Studio Code, but for now I'm going to use Visual Studio. Let's stop my project, and this is just a normal Umbraco website project, and then I'm going to add the Nuget package. So I'm going to look for I could spell today, uMarketingSuite, and I'm going to take this first Nuget package, not Umbraco forms or the content blocks, because these are additional packages, and the .core is just the main kind of core assemblies that builds up uMarketingSuite. So it's this top one that I want to install. I want to agree to all the dependencies and the licensings. And then that is it. We are installed. If we then build our project, you can see that in the build output, it's added some extra settings for us and bits and pieces. And now we can run Umbraco again. And now, once it's booted up, and we go to the back office and I refresh, along here we now have the marketing section. This is uMarketingSuite. It is as simple as that. If you prefer, you could install it from the command line. Let's do that. Here I have Umbraco running via the command line. So you can see I've got an empty website. Let's stop the process in our web server. And then from the terminal, we can run the following command. .net add package, and then uMarketingSuite. Hit enter. If I could spell today, .net add package, uMarketingSuite. You can see the package installing. We can then simply do a .net run, which will do a build as well for us. You can see it's creating the database tables and the migrations for us. And then if we refresh our website, you'll see that we have a new marketing section, which is uMarketingSuite. That's it. It's as simple as that. uMarketingSuite for Umbraco.